Question number 3. There is an archery target marked with 5 scoring regions. From the center, the first innermost circle is gold, the next one is red in color, the next circle is blue, and the next one is black, and the outermost is white in color. The diameter of the region of this innermost, which is gold in color, the diameter is 21 centimeter, so radius is going to be half of that, that is 10.5 centimeter. Each width from the innermost circle, each circle is having a width of 10.5 centimeter extra. So radius of the second one is going to be extra 10.5, that is 21 centimeter, and the third radius is going to have extra 10.5 centimeter width from the second one, that is 31.5 centimeter. Fourth radius is going to be extra 10.5, so it is 42 centimeter, and fifth radius is going to have extra 10.5 centimeter width from the fourth radius, so it is 52.5 centimeter. Now they are asking us to find area of each of the 5 scoring regions. First we will find area of that innermost circle, that is gold region. Area of gold color region. Now to find area of circle, formula is pi r squared. Substituting the values, we will get pi value is 22 by 7. 22 by 7, radius is 10.5. So 10.5 into 10.5. Now when you cancel, 1 7 is 7. 1 7 is 7. 5 7s are 35. So we have 1.5. 1.5 into 22 is 33. 33 into 10.5 is going to be 315 plus 315, that is 5 6 4 3. Since there is one number after the decimal point, you place one number after the decimal point in the answer also. So we have 346.5. This is the area of the gold region. I will write the answer here. 346.5 centimeter. Area of red color region. Is given by. Now to find area of red color region, from the area of that second circle, you have to subtract the area of the first circle, that is pi r2 squared minus pi r1 squared. When you pull out that pi commonly outside, we are going to have pi into r2 squared minus r1 squared. Substituting the values, we are going to have 22 by 7 into, now this R2 is nothing but, it is 21 centimeter, which can be written as 2 into 10.5 centimeter. So we are going to write it as 2 into 10.5 the whole square minus 10.5 the whole square. Now this can be written as, you can see 10.5 the whole square is common. Taking that commonly outside, we have 2 squared remaining in the first term and 1 remaining in the second term. So 10.5 into 10.5 into 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now when you cancel one time, This is 1.5 times. Already we calculated this for the last, that is the gold region. 1.5 into 10.5 into 22, we got 346.5. When you multiply 346.5 by 3, we get 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 6 3s are 18, 9, carry 1, 4 3s are 12, 13, 3 carry 1, 3 3s are 9, 10. So we get 1039.5 centimeter square. Now we have found area of that red region. It is 1039.5 centimeter square. Next we are going to find area of that blue. Now area of blue color region. This is given by area of the third circle, that is pi r3 square. From this you have to subtract the area of the second circle, that is pi r2 square. From this total area, if you subtract area till this, the remaining is going to be the blue region, that is this region which you can see. So it is going to be, when you pull out pi commonly outside, you will have r3 squared minus r2 square. Substituting the values, we are going to have 22 by 7 into this r3 value is 31.5 centimeter, which can be written as 3 into 10.5. So we are going to write it as 3 into 10.5 the whole square minus r2 is 2 into 10.5 the whole square. Now this is going to be 22 by 7 into, you can see 10.5 the whole square common, taking that 10.5 the whole square commonly outside, then we are going to have 3 square minus, in this we are going to have 2 square. That is going to be 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4, 9 minus 4 is going to be 5. When you cancel, this is going to be 1.5 times. Already 22 into 1.5 is 33, into 10.5 is 346.5. So we are going to multiply 346.5 by 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 6 5s are 30, plus 2 is 32, carry 3, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3 is 23, carry 2, 3 5s are 15, plus 2 is 17. So we are going to have 1732.5 centimeter square. Area of this blue region is 1732.5 centimeter square. Now we are going to find area of the black region. Area of black colored region. This black color region, this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4th radius. So the area is going to be pi r4 squared from the entire area up to this radius 4. If you subtract the radius up to 3, this region is going to be your area of that black color region. So that is going to be pi r3 squared. You have to subtract that. Pulling out that pi commonly outside, we will have r4 squared minus r3 squared. Now substituting the values, pi value is 22 by 7. r4 squared, radius 4 is 42 centimeter, which can be written as 4 into 10.5 the whole square, minus radius 3 is 31.5 centimeter, which can be written as 3 into 10.5 the whole square. Now you can see that that 10.5 squared is common, which can be pulled outside. When you pull out 10.5 the whole square commonly outside, then in the first term you have 4 squared and in the second term you have 3 squared remaining. So that is going to be 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5 into 4 squared is 16, 3 squared is 9, 16 minus 9 is 7. So when you cancel you will get 1.5. 22 into 1.5 into 10.5, we already got 346.5. So 346.5 multiplied by 7 is going to be 5 7s are 35, carry 3, 6 7s are 42, 45, carry 4, 4 7s are 28, 32, carry 3, 3 7s are 21 plus 3 is 24. So we are going to have 2425.5. 2425.5 centimeter square. So area of the black region is 2425.5 centimeter square. Next we will find area of that white region, outermost region. Area of white region. This is the outermost region. This is going to be, this is the fifth radius. So we are going to have 5r5 squared. From this radius 5, you are going to subtract this entire area of up to radius 4. So this remaining area is going to be the white region, pi r4 squared. When you pull out pi commonly outside, you are going to have r5 squared minus r4 squared. Substituting the values, we are going to have 22 by 7 into your r5 is 52.5 centimeter, which can be written as 5 into 10.5 the whole square minus r4 is 42, which can be written as 4 into 10.5 the whole square. So you can see that 10.5 whole square is common in both. Pulling that commonly outside, you have 5 square remaining in the first term and 4 square remaining in the second term. Now this can be written as 10.5 into 10.5 into 5 squared is 25, 4 squared is 16, 25 minus 16 is 9. Now when you cancel, it is 1.5 times. 22 into 1.5 into 10.5 is 346.5. When you multiply by 9, you are going to get the answer. 5 9s are 45, put 5, carry 4, 6 9s are 54, plus 4 is 58, carry 5, 4 9s are 36, 41, carry 4, 3 9s are 27, 27 plus 4 is 31. So it is 3118.5 centimeter square. Now we have found area of that white region, 3118.5 centimeter square. They have asked us to find the area of each and every region. We have found the area of all the 5 colored regions.